Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cannot log in from your Facebook error on the PUBG Mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the PUBG Mobile game and once the game has loaded, if you get an error message telling you that you are not able to log in when you try to log in using your Facebook, then there are a few things that you will need to check in order to make sure that all of your requirements are met in order to play the game. The first thing that you will need to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection and that your internet connection did not go down after the game was done loading. So in order to ensure this, check your Wi-Fi or data connection and also try using any other application that uses the internet. If this application is working just fine, then your internet is not to blame here. So the next thing to check is to make sure that you are logged in to your Facebook application or your Facebook account on your web browser. So open up the Facebook application or log in to facebook.com and then enter your email address or phone number and password to log into your account. Once you are logged in, when the game starts, you will be able to tap on the login with Facebook button and you can follow up with the continue as buttons to proceed with logging into your account to fix the Facebook can't login error. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to fix the errors on the PUBG Mobile if you cannot log in with Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.